Hi there! Today we're going through 10 IKEA finds you probably didn't know existed. I'm Man, this is Mars. Thank you so much for stopping by. Before we dive in, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! We're starting right off with the first new IKEA gem for 2025, and that is the Kölvatten LED spotlight. Now IKEA sells many spotlights, however this one is something special and it's a real hidden IKEA gem since it is battery operated and can be charged with a USB-C cable, which means you don't have to deal with power cords at all, which is amazing. Since this spotlight does not need to be connected to a main supply, you can place it anywhere you want, in your closet, inside your cabinets, or just create a cozy mood lighting under a shelf. Just a slight press on the lamp is all that is needed to light it up. It's so easy to mount on wooden, metal, and even glass surfaces, and it's super easy to charge. You just remove the lighting, charge the batteries with a USB-C cable, and click it back in place once it's fully charged. Loving this one so much, plus it comes at a great price point for only $5. Another new IKEA find that's such a hidden gem is the UPPDATERA Box with a slider. Now, why is this such a gem, you might ask? Well, this small container helps you make efficient use of your cabinet space in your bedroom or your kitchen. You can easily attach the slider to the inner wall of any cabinet to make efficient use of space for storage. This one would actually work perfectly installed on the inside of the under the sink cabinet, keeping all of the kitchen sponges, brushes, and detergents organized at all times while keeping your sink area nice and clean. Plus, it's often great to use that upper cabinet space that's usually left unused anyways. It's just super easy to pull out for easy reach, and you get a good overview of everything. It also can be used in the bathroom for organizing cleaning supplies, and you can even stack 2 or more to make even more use of space. The next IKEA find that's honestly such a big gem is this multifunctional ergonomic footrest. Let me tell you right from the start, I have never seen this footrest at IKEA before, and this comes from a person that's a real IKEA rat. I just know every single product and how to pronounce it. Now what this footrest actually does is not only helping you to keep a good position while working at your desk, but it can also give you an ergonomic support to your lumbar region, knees and ankles. Working for extended periods in uncomfortable positions can lead to fatigue, discomfort, and pain. However, this footrest will raise your feet so that they have an upright, relaxed posture while developing a good habit of sitting correctly. The curved surface encourages you to rock your feet back and forth, and the anti-slip surface of the textile cover keeps the footrest firmly in place. Comfortable, lightweight, and just so simple to move around. Plus, the cover can be removed and machine washed, which is amazing. And when we're talking about the office space, there are a few new IKEA finds that are real hidden gems for 2025. The first one is the geniusly designed SKOTAT Extension cord. This one has such a minimalistic design and a shape that makes it easy to fit in a corner perfectly. I mean, I have so many extension cords everywhere throughout my home, and I always try to hide them since, first of all, they look so plasticky and ugly. However, this one has such a minimalistic design and a shape that fits in corners or on a desk, which is so smart. You can position it whichever you like, and with the plus-shaped holes on the back, you can even mount it under the desk or anywhere you like. Not to mention, it also has 2 fast USB charging ports and can be bought with both American and European sockets depending on where you live. Just loving it. Another smartly designed extension cord that's a real IKEA gem is the HORNFELS cord with 4 sockets. Now, not only this extension cord can provide power supply to all your household appliances, but it also looks so cool. As I said before, extension cords tend to look so ugly, but this one honestly looks like a decor piece. The playful expression can be such a fun detail in your interior and will add new energy to both your living room or workspace or wherever you decide to place it. Thanks to the angled shape, the connected plugs will not block each other, so you can always charge up to 4 devices simultaneously, which is amazing. Wherever you go for the yellow one or the black one, this cord will look amazing. One of the new Ikea gems for 2025 is definitely the DJUPÖN folding table. This folding table, made out of acacia wood, is just so practical and so smartly designed that it will fit even the smallest of balconies. The table has room for 2 people enjoying a meal or a coffee break, and it also has a shelf that is so practical for things like serving bowls or plants to create your own little green oasis. When folded, the table also has storage space for 2 folding chairs, which is also so smart. The table folds easily, especially when you need the space for other activities, and not to mention acacia is a hard and durable material suitable for outdoor use, but also it has been pre-treated with a layer of wood stain for added durability, which is amazing. Loving this table so much. And when we're talking about tables, I just have to mention one more table that's just such an Ikea hidden gem, and that is the TÅNEBRO Side table. This side table actually came at the end of 2024, and I just love the look and the practicality of it. It's just the perfect combination of function and design, since it's decorative to place next to the armchair in the living room, but it's also so easy to move it wherever you like. Not to mention the amazing price point that this table comes at for only $19.99, yet for such a durable and versatile table that's made out of powder-coated steel, this price is a steal. It comes in a few different colors, and I especially love the beige one. It looks so stylish and high-end. The next Ikea hidden gem I have for you is the STÄNKREGN LED ring light. Now, this cute little ring light is actually made to be fixed at the top of your laptop or computer screen to give you a more illuminating picture while you're making video calls. The adjustable head makes it so easy to direct the light, and a built-in touch dimmer means that you can turn off, turn on, and dim the lamp with only a touch of your finger. It actually connects to your laptop through a USB-C connector, and a hole in the middle of the bracket suits the camera eye of most laptops. Also, you can choose between 4 color temperatures and 3 different intensities of light. I actually have this one and also use it for filming these videos, and I have used it many times as a ring light for taking the perfect selfies too. Not to mention, this one comes at a great price point for only $14.99. I think we've established that IKEA is the queen of storage solutions. And that's the case with this next gem I have for you, which is the UTRUSTA Pull-out rack for cleaning supplies. This pull-out rack is another new product at IKEA for 2025, and it's so smartly designed to hold all of the cleaning supplies neatly organized inside your cabinets. With the smartly designed adjustable wire shelves, you get a storage solution that's so practical for organizing things such as cleaning supplies, detergents, brooms, and even the vacuum cleaner. I always find myself struggling to organize my cleaning equipment since it's so bulky and it doesn't really fit most of my shelves. But with this pull-out rack, you will be able to store everything for easy access in the kitchen, bathroom, or laundry room. And the last IKEA gem I have for you is the FÖRSKAFFA Insulated lunchbox. This tiffin box actually consists of 2 tires, which means you can actually store different kinds of foods separately. The lunchbox is so nicely insulated that you can enjoy warm food anytime and anywhere. The secure and tight-fitting seal allows you to bring your food safely with you without the fear of spillage, and the design with clean lines and a practical handle protects your hands from handling the warm surface. I use lunchboxes all the time, and it's so hard to find ones that are not actually made of plastic, and these two are just perfect and will allow you to enjoy your foods for your outdoor adventures or work lunches for years to come. And that wraps it up for today. I really hope you liked these new IKEA gems I've packed for you. If you did, make sure to let me know which one was your favorite by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. Mine was definitely that cute mint extension cord. I just can't wait to get it on my next trip to IKEA. Also, make sure to check out my other hidden gems IKEA videos. I'll have them all linked down below, along with all of the links of the IKEA hidden gems in this video. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Last week I actually forgot to film Mars. So sorry about that. We are going to him right now to give him a treat. Let's go! Oh, good morning, buddy! On today's menu we have juicy sausage. Juicy doggy sausage. Mars, will you say sorry for your subscribers? They didn't get the chance to see you last week. Oh my god. You're the cutest when you're eating. You're the cutest! Say bye, Mars. Say follow us on Instagram to see all of our adventures and to see how fast I run. Right, Mars? Say bye. Bye.